Hey guys, my name is Seth. I'm coming to you from Glenn's Freedom Jeep, home of the all-new Jeep factory. And I wanted to present to you our first production, this 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon Scrambler. We saw Jeep unveiled their Scrambler concept at the Easter Jeep Safari last year. We liked it so much that we wanted to take our own spin on it. So we started off with the 2020 white on black Gladiator Rubicon. We've got the Rubicon steel bumpers with the end caps removed. We stuck in there a worn 10,000 pound winch just in case you get into a tricky spot. You can see that we've got the KC lighted pods all over the vehicle. We've got 10 in total on this, all wired to the aux switch inside of the cab. So it's clean, easy access, on or off. You're going to see that the vehicle does sit a little higher. We did the Mopar 2-inch lift, so it's going to give you that aggressive look. It's going to give you the clearance, and it's going to retain your factory warranty all in the same. On the wheels here, we got the 37-inch BFG KM3 mud terrain with the custom painted Mopar 17-inch wheel. That was something that our parts department was able to provide that the Easter Jeep Safari concept had that really made an impression on us. The Scrambler decals on the hood and in the middle here, we had those custom made here in Lexington. The light pods on the side. You got the rock rails running the length of the vehicle. Coming around to the back side, we flipped the vehicle around so that you could get the best possible view of, in our opinion, the best part of the Scrambler build. Our friends at R&D Fabworks took the Gladiator into their shop and custom made this roll cage to spec. Tedious work to get the angles and the bars just right. From there, we did have it powder coated and brought back here to mount in the bed with the KC lights up on top. You've got 2 of them facing to the rear, 4 of them facing front. You can see that the wires are non-existent. They're into the roll bar and down to the power source. And then we have them hooked up to the aux switches just like the ones in the front. You've got your 5th wheel mounted here in the rear to give you that pre-runner look that everybody is crazy about. And of course, we've got the bed liner with a lifetime warranty. Taking a look on the interior, first thing you'll notice is we've got the double black diamond stitching on the front and rear seats to match. These front seats are going to be heated as well. It's got the Uconnect 8.4 with navigation, Alpine audio, off-road plus, which is an incredibly cool feature we can show you how to use. You've got all the other perks of the Rubicon, sway bar disconnect, front and rear electronic lockers, and then here are the aux switches that I was mentioning. And then of course your 4-to-1 transfer case is utilized here. On the dash here, you got your 7-inch LCD screen that's going to give you all your pertinent information, whether it be on the road or in the woods rock climbing. You'll notice on the leather wrapped steering wheel, on the left-hand side, you got your voice-activated controls. On the right-hand side, you have your cruise control. And then up in the front here, we took out the dash and powder coated it white for a nice little touch. I wanted to thank you all for tuning in and checking out our first build out of the Jeep factory. And I want to take a second to tell you about a new collaboration we've got going on with Hollerwood Park, the largest and newest off-road park in the Red River Gorge. So with the purchase of any new or used Jeep, I'm going to start doing monthly guided tours in the park to let you experience what off-roading is all about. And I also wanted to tell you about their first event. It's going to be held November 15th and 16th. It's the Copperhead Cove Bounty Hill Race. It's for rock bouncers and side-by-sides. You can go to their website, hollerwoodpark.com, for more information. Thanks.